TR here. This is our third video in the series Navigating Our Calm course. Today we're going to look at the checklist. The navigation menu bar, this is the link, single click will take you to a window like this. You will see one link to the checklist for your group, which is the September group. Open that and you get the checklist. Key points, it gives you the due dates, and you can also check in the box to help you organize yourself in terms of, okay, I've done Module 1 quiz, and I still have to do the strengths and needs and reflection. While we're at it, the sexual wellness permission form is due on the 26th of September. Now, the checklist is an awesome tool because it helps you keep organized. Working online, if you're not a super organized person, you can get lost. You get busy, you got other stuff you're doing, and you're going, oh my gosh, I've got an online course and I'm not doing what I need to do. Checklists will help you because it gives you a due date. Now, I'm not super fussy about being a day or two late. If you use your private discussions and tell me, yeah, okay, I'm having some challenges, I need a day, not a problem. If you're taking a week or 2 weeks, maybe not so good, and you definitely need to contact me. Anyways, if you have any further questions, issues, or concerns regarding the checklist, let me know, and I'll always be happy to help. Again, remember, use your private discussions to ask or share your concerns. Thanks again. Have a great day. Bye now.